Welcome to TV60. Today we will talk about the environment and the meteor who yesterday hit England. That is a big surprise for the citizens.
I will start to talk about the environment because we got a serious problem. We destroy the environment when we throw all our rubbish out in the nature and don't even think about it. Example, young people just throw bottles away or cans in the nature, and it will in the end destroy our environment.
School children started in last week a forest fire in USA. There died 200 people in that fire. They say to the police that they start the fire because people throw all their rubbish in the nature and destroy the nature. They love the nature. In our environment we got a serious problem. We do not make as much power as we use. So USA has decided a plan to make wind farms in water of the coast a little bit out of USA. We also have to even use solar cells. This is how the environment could look like.
Welcome to TV60. Today we have an interview with Professor
B.
Can I ask you about some questions?
Sure.
How could we do our environment better?
We could stop throwing all our garbage in the nature and start being more environmental thinking.
Good. And thanks for now.
And now to the sport. In tennis, our tennis player William and the Serena sisters got beaten in all the semi-finals to Wozniacki. Now football. There was a riot in the accidents among Tottenham and Chelsea after the devastating victory for Chelsea, who wins 5-0.